Mastering the mysteries of GMAT and GRE scores. Hello, English learners and future graduate students. Today, we're delving deep into a crucial topic for those aiming for graduate school: understanding the role of GMAT and GRE scores in graduate school applications. Specifically, we'll look at how these scores weigh against other components of your application. Let's begin. Before we jump into their significance, let's first clarify what GMAT and GRE scores represent. The GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test, and GRE, Graduate Record Examinations, are standardized tests that evaluate various skills, ranging from quantitative and verbal abilities to analytical writing. They are designed to provide graduate schools with a common metric to assess applicants. There's no denying it. GMAT and GRE scores play an essential role in graduate school applications. For many institutions, these scores act as a baseline for understanding a student's academic readiness. However, it's crucial to remember that while they are significant, they are just one piece of the puzzle. 1. Academic transcript. While test scores can reflect your analytical and reasoning skills, your transcripts show your performance over time. A consistently high GPA can sometimes offset a slightly lower test score. 2. Letters of recommendation. These provide insights into your character, work ethic, and potential. Strong recommendations can make a big difference, especially if your scores are borderline. 3. Personal statement or essays. Here's where you can truly shine. This is your chance to explain your passion, why you're a good fit for the program, and possibly why certain aspects of your application, like a lower GMAT or GRE score, aren't fully representative of your potential. 4. Work experience and extracurriculars. For many programs, especially business schools, relevant work experience or leadership roles can significantly boost your application. 5. Interviews. Some schools hold interviews as part of the admissions process. A strong interview can sometimes tip the scales in your favor, even if your scores aren't top-notch. The truth is, graduate schools look for well-rounded individuals. While GMAT and GRE scores are undeniably important, they are evaluated in conjunction with other components. It's all about the holistic picture of who you are, what you've achieved, and what you bring to the table. And there we have it. Remember, while your GMAT or GRE score is a pivotal aspect of your application, it doesn't define you. Focus on every part of your application, ensuring each component shines. We hope this video has been enlightening. Best of luck with your graduate school journey.